Hello, students. I hope you enjoyed activity 6, which I explained in last video. Now, let's see activity 7. Now, you have learned a new way to write about someone else's ideas. You learn about a type of summary that is about a source. Second is neutral, which I already explained in the last videos. Third, references the source. Fourth, starts with the main idea of the source. Fifth, contains a few details that show how the author or writer expresses the main idea. Now keep in your mind one thing that when you want to write any summary, you need three things. Keep in your mind. First one, read and understand the source. That's why every teacher of our school always uh, tell about you about the English preparation that whenever you read any new story or any new topic of English subject, use dictionary. So first thing here is what? Read and understand the source about the that story or that chapter. Second, reference the source and write the main idea in one or two sentences. Third, add a few details about 3 to 4 sentences that best show how the writer or author expressed the main idea. Now you already have learned about strong desire wise action. So now, keeping in mind the above points, you have to write the summary of strong desire wise action. Activity 8. Real writers share their writing with other writers and help each other improve their writing. That means, for example, sometime what happen in some subjects, you prepare something new topic, and for cross checking you are giving your notebook to your friend. So here also, whenever you create any writing work, you can form whenever you create any writing form, so for that you have to uh, give your writing work to your friends for checking, for cross checking in a group. That thing you have to do in a group. For example, here the word is given peers, right? Peers are people who are like you in age, interest, job, etc. For example, here is your classmates, right? For example, if your classmates are Jatin uses too many words that show how very much he likes the story, and your classmate Kajal forgets to reference the source, your review might look like this. See, here is the given very peer review checklist. But before that, peer review, that means what? Peer means what? Uncomparable, right? For example, if your classmate Jatin uses his own words and expresses his own opinion and says how much he liked the story or how much he did not like the story, in this case, his summary may not be neutral. Another friend, Kajal, forgot to put a reference, the source. In this case, your review might look like the following checklist that is given here, right? Further, if I'll tell you about peer review means what? Which means you will review the writing of your peers, and you can read, discuss, analyze, and even criticize your peers' writings through peer review. You can understand each other's merits and demerits, and you can also improve your own writings. Okay, and the person, those who criticize and cross check that persons or that peer person, that are your classmates. Your classmates are your peers. Peers are like you in age. Okay, I hope you understood this activity very well.